Welcome friends to another session of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. The past few sessions we have been learning about the various functions in Excel and a few tips and tricks to get the best out of Excel. Thanks for being with me. Please inform your colleagues, friends to subscribe so that they, you, me can all excel at work.
We have been looking at the shortcuts videos for the past few weeks. This is the last video in the series of shortcuts. We look at the workbook shortcuts in Excel. This is a very useful and it saves a lot of time really. I urge you to become familiar with these shortcuts. So this we have seen is the video where we last stopped. So the various worksheets are insert new worksheet, shift plus F11. Wherever you are, the normal key is to go here and insert, click on the plus key where new sheet comes. The other thing is the shortcut key is shift F11. It's inserted before the current worksheet where you are. So I was in this worksheet tab and then a new worksheet inserted before this. If I am now in the sheet 3 and now again use shift F11, sheet 4 is inserted before the sheet 3. Go to next worksheet, control page down. If I want to go to sheet 3 from here, I can click on this sheet 3 and to go to worksheet, next worksheet, again I click on them. Control page down. We are in sheet 3. To go to the next sheet which is labeled worksheet, use control page down. Again next worksheet, again control page down and so on. If you want to go previously, yeah, that's right. The previous worksheet is control page up. So I use control page up to go back to the previous worksheets. So we'll now come back to original worksheet here, worksheet. The next is go to the next open workbook. It's control tab. So if you want to go to another worksheet which is open, I use the control tab key. So this is how it goes to the, this one worksheet which is open. The second worksheet is open, I have to go there, use the control tab. If the other worksheet is closed, for example, I close this workbook, the second workbook, and I use control tab, it stays here, obviously. Go to the previous open workbook. This will be workbook, not worksheet. Sorry about that. It is control shift tab. So here, I'll again open the previous worksheet now. This is the demo shortcuts which is open. So if I open 3 workbooks here, so open another workbook here. Let us open another one. Let us say sum estimate here. So this is another workbook. Don't mind the matter here. That's not so important right now. So what we basically got is we have got 3 workbooks open here. So if you want to go to each of them, I go to here, the second workbook, third workbook, and then I keep circulating. I keep on pressing continuously control tab and then it circulates between all the 3. If you want to go back from here, that is I use the control shift tab and then the cycling is anti-clockwise in the sense that I go from the worksheet 1 to 2 to 3. If I use the control tab, I go from 3 to 1 and that sort of a thing. So I'm closing these workbooks. This workbook is what we are right now where we have started. So next the shortcut is selecting additional worksheets is shift and left click. So for selecting adjacent workbooks, you use control shift and then the page up or page down. That is, if I use control shift page up, I select worksheets to the left of the selected worksheets, and if I use, I'll again use control page up to go to the next this one. And if I want to use, come back to this worksheet here. If I want to use the select worksheets to the right of the selected worksheet, the current worksheet, I use control shift and page down. So this is what we do if we want to select it. And the shortcut key is with the mouse is you click with the use control left click or shift left click. So I use here, I can select anything here. I can use the mouse to select sheets either below, either before or after the worksheets. I click on any other worksheet, the selected cells are unselected. If you want to select non-adjacent worksheets, the only option is with the mouse. I can't use the keyboard to select non-adjacent worksheets. So here if I want to use worksheet and then sheet 4, I use the mouse using the control key. I can select sheet 1, worksheet and sheet 4 using only the mouse. Only if the adjacent can I use the control shift page down or page up shortcut key on the keyboard. Next is the minimize current workbook window or control F9. This is again a universal Windows shortcut key. Control F9 minimizes this and control F10 maximizes the short. And then the last thing is toggle full screen. Control shift F1. If I use control shift F1, it becomes a full screen, which obviously you can't see on your video because the video screen itself is not full screen. Sorry about that. Yeah, it comes back to original. Use the Windows maximize minimize keys, reduce it to a previous size of window. So these are all on the shortcuts. We will come on to the next series or rather next video on YouTube on the Excel at work. Hope you have enjoyed these videos and thanks for being with me.
With this, we come to end of this session of Excel at work. Hope you have learned something new or refreshed what you already know. Please share this with your friends, family and colleagues to help them, you and me to excel at work. Thanks for watching.